Hello everyone, we're going to talk about special issue and collaboration in software testing between industry and academia by the author Michael. Testing is the most vastly practiced way to discover defects and to improve the quality in the software testing. Many projects rely on testing as their primary quality assurance measure. The importance of testing is reflected by the enormous budgets that goes to this form of quality assurance. Software testing is covered by a lot of scientific books and programs, academic conferences, and events, tracks and major software testing sites. Despite all the researches and facilities that performed by the academia, there's still a big gap between the academic researches and the field of industrial practicing. And the research question here, how to avoid this gap between these two sides? Researchers try to cover this gap by finding mutual points between industry and academic support improvements in the field of industry and emphasize the importance of the industry in academic researches. This special issue focuses on collaboration between industry and academia in the context of software testing, and it includes 6 papers that describe lessons learned from the collaboration initiatives and provide suggestions to link the two sides of academia and industry. But I will mention only 4 of them due to time of the presentation. The first paper, called Industry Academia Collaboration in Software Testing Experiences and Success Stories from Canada and Turkey. Researchers try to analyze a set of 10 collaborative industry academia researches and development projects in the area of software testing. They evaluate the involved challenges and their correlation with project success measure to finally provide evidence based on recommendations for ensuring success in industry academia collaborations. In the second paper, Model-Based Testing of Digital TVs, an industry as a laboratory approach, the authors describe their experiences developing model-based testing for its adoption in consumer electronics domain. They successfully applied the industry as a laboratory approach, which they found highly effective for industry academia collaboration and technology transfer. The third paper, Test Case Selection in Industry, an analysis of issues related to aesthetic approaches. The researchers were working on test case selection in the field of industry projects, and they explore practical issues and solutions for this static test cases selection. The goal of this solution was to find a way to decrease the feedback time by automated testing for the developers in the payments and the transactional services industry of a company. The study described the problems involved in real-world software testing. The authors of the fourth paper Onboarding Inexperienced Developers, Struggles and Perceptions regarding automated testing made a study on the skill gap between university graduates and industry expectations in the domain of software testing. They interviewed practitioners about their experiences with the new hires, and the results show that many practitioners are dissatisfied with the testing skills of newcomers and their negative attitudes towards automatic testing. New graduated students have theoretical information more than practical experiences in the field of testing, which made the companies teach them the testing from beginning. Thanks for listening, and all references exist below.